Hi, this is Lee from Ultimately SEO. A colleague of mine spoke to you earlier, and this is the free video we promised to share with you. Some tips and tricks around how you can improve your online presence, so you can, of course, get more customers to your website and then book more jobs. I'm on your website right now, and I must say your products and services that you're actually offering is very, very nice, very energy efficient and green. This is very nice. The first thing I want to go through is around the homepage. See, you've done quite a good job from a content perspective. If I had to look, it looks about 800 to 900 words of content, and Google recommends normally that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And the reason for that is when Google searches your website and tries to index it, it's trying to extract the necessary keywords. And in order to do that, it needs quite a bit of content to extract those keywords. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you're making their jobs quite a bit easier. So if you can get your homepage content up to 1,500 words, that would be great. Looking at one of your top competitors in roofing in Amsterdam, their site's quite busy. I think I do prefer your site. But what's quite nice about theirs is they've got a nice contact us right in the beginning. Calling the people to action. Looking at their content, they also do a good job. They probably have slightly more content than you do, going to about 1,000 to 1,200 words of content. So they're still beatable. So if you can get yours up, then I think you can match these guys quite easily. The next thing I want to go is to Google search results. So the first thing that you normally see when searching for something is the Google ads. These are the ads that you pay for to have on the top, and it's quite nice because it's prime real estate, and you can drive a lot of traffic to your website quite quickly. But unfortunately, you do need to pay for it. So every time you click on this link, then of course you pay for the person clicking on the link. The next thing I want to cover is around the Google map listing. This is a very nice area to be in as well because it shows you the business in the area, and also you can quickly see the contact number and the website address, so very easy for customers to contact you. And statistics actually show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic searching for this keyword will actually go through and click one of these three links. So how do you get into one of these three links? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. And all that a citation is a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your telephone number. You want to get those combinations listed on many directories as possible. A directory is basically like a yellow pages, etc. So the more directory listings you have, the higher you'll appear on this Google map listing, and lots of traffic. The next part I want to show is the organic search results. This is what Google sees as the most relevant to the search term that was entered. Very interesting statistics as well. 29% of people click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. Actually, less than 9% of people actually go past the first page in Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what that allows us to do is put in a website address like yours in here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. These are actually the numbers that Google will look at when they're actually ranking your website. So the first number I want to look at is the UR. That is your trust rating according to Google. So you're standing at about a 34 right now, which is pretty good. Your DR is your strength index, and it's standing at 35. So your website is strong and trustworthy in Google's eyes. Nice 1-to-1 ratio as well, so good job on that. The number of backlinks and referring domains, the higher the count, the better you'll be ranking in Google's view. So very important to get these numbers as high as possible. But it's just worth noting that not all backlinks are made equal, so also the quality of backlinks are very important. All that a backlink is really a shout out from one website to yours, basically giving a shout out to your website, so informing Google that you basically exist. The referring domains is the number of websites that are actually pointing to you. So at the moment you're sitting at 1,320 backlinks and 211 referring domains. At the moment, your website is doing not too bad. It's pulling in about 390 people per month coming to your website. That's the organic traffic. And the amount of keywords that Google is extracting from your website is 202. So these, of course, are keywords extracted from the content that I mentioned earlier. You want to make sure these are the keywords that you target specifically to those search terms that you want people to find you on. Looking at your competitor that we saw earlier, you'll see that the URL is at 25 and the DR at 26. So it's actually lower than yours at the moment, but when we look at the backlinks and referring domains, that's when we'll see the difference. They've got quite a bit more referring domains to you. They've got about an extra 30 referring domains. And this is a good example where the quality of the backlinks are making a huge difference, and that's why they're outranking you. Looking at the organic traffic, this also shows that they're being at the top page of Google. They're getting 1,500 people a month coming to their website, so a lot of traffic, and you see the traffic value is very high here. So definitely the kind of traffic that could be coming to your website. They're also picking quite a bit more number of keywords, 628. We could take a look at what those are. You'll see that important search terms like Backlinks Amsterdam, I'm sure it's something that you want to be found for. There's 800 people a month searching for this term every single month, and because these are the #1 ranking guys, they're getting about 30% of this traffic to their website every single month. So it would be great if you can be getting this traffic as well. And you'll see similar search terms below. You can see they're listed in various areas in Rotterdam, Utrecht, etc. But also go into like Platdak and things like that. We also got 800 searches a month looking for that. So just to summarize, look at improving your website homepage content to about 1,500 words or more, targeting the specific keywords so that Google can find and rank you. If you want to be on the Google map listing, see if you can increase your number of citations. And then lastly, if you want to be in the top 3 of the organic search result, see if you can improve on your number of backlinks and referring domains, and also ensuring that the quality is as high as possible. So as I said in the beginning, these are free tips and tricks that you can use immediately, and I really do hope you do that so you can beat out your competition. If you would like to reach out to me to find out any more information of how to execute on some of these ideas, please don't hesitate to contact me via cell phone or email. I'll be glad to help you where I can. Lastly, either way, it doesn't matter which way you go, I would really appreciate if you could just drop me a line of feedback. This is to say if this was helpful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Cheers.